Hello everyone. Want to add two videos or more to your Instagram story? Instagram plays them one after the other, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So here's how you can add to your Instagram app. So first open the app, tap on your story on the tab live, and now swipe up or tap the gallery icon to access your videos. Then select choose the two videos you want to add. After selecting your videos, Instagram will give you two options. You can add them separately uh, separate and layout. There are two options, separate and layout. So since layout is only for photos, tap separate to continue. And you can edit each video separately, tap on a clip, add text, stickers, music, filters, or effects. You can also rearrange them by holding and dragging video left or right. Like that is how you can do it. Like rearrange this one here, you can move this one to here, or this one here. You can rearrange anywhere you want by dragging the video left or right. Now, once you're happy with the edits, tap next, choose your story, and to share it with the all followers or close friends. If you want to limit who's in it, then tap share. And that's it. If you want to combine both videos into a single clip, like two videos instead of two separate videos in the clip, you can use your video editor like CapCut or your phone's built-in video editor, or you can use this demo creator from your system. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.